you're struggling to find a present for a relative who likes tech, then you've come to the right place to find the perfect present for them. Hello, my name is Brad, this is Breadman Hills Tech, and today we are going to be looking at the best Christmas and birthday presents for teens 2023. The way that this video is going to work is we're going to have 15 different options, and we're going to start off with the cheaper ones, and then we're slowly getting it more and more expensive. First is the JBL Go Essential Smart Speaker, which costs about 20 quid. Number 2 is LED lights, so they can cost about 20 quid for about 20 meters, and it's just a really cool decoration for their room. Number 3, coming in at £22, is the Anchor wireless charger. Number 4, coming in at £27, is for the people who really like fixing things, the iFixit Essential Electronics Toolkit. Number 5 is for people who live in quite a cold place. Electronic hand warmers are really cool, and you just charge them up and you can use them for like the whole day. And there's something like 30 on Amazon. Links to all of the products that I mentioned in this video will be in the description. Coming in at number 6, starting the medium price category, I think this costs £45, is the Huawei FreeBuds 4i. Lucky number 7, which I believe is the best present, is to subscribe to Breadman Hills Tech. Number 8 is a Wii with 4 controllers and Wii Sports. Number 9 is the HomePod Mini, and it costs 90 quid. It's quite a nice speaker with Siri. Starting off the pricey section with number 10, the AirPods 3rd generation, which cost £169. As we're jumping prices, number 11 is the Xbox Series S, which costs 300 quid. Number 12 is the DJI Mini 2. It's a small drone which can fold up, and you don't need a license. It takes really good video, although it's not the latest version, but now you can get it for about 300 quid as well, and you can pay 50 quid more for the fly mode combo. Number 13 is the GoPro Hero 11 Mini Black. Coming in at number 14 is the Asus TUF A15 gaming laptop, which I think costs £599.99. Number 15, and what I think is the best present 2023, although it costs like £1,099. The iPhone 14 Pro. With its unbelievable price point, it's still a really good phone, and I'm pretty sure most people would like it. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm going to put all of the links in the description. I'll see you in the next one, and thank you for watching.